Are you on a hair journey like I am? Then I definitely want to share with you the Art Naturals Rosemary Castor Oil. Plus, it also has olive oil and coconut oil too. It also comes with this scalp massager. The scalp massager has soft silicone bristles and it massages my skin so nicely. It's very easy to use. A little goes a long way, guys. So this is what it looks like. And what I do is I just put a couple drops here and there. So I put one there, 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 there. Okay? And then I close it up and I get the hair massager and I massage away. I like to do this actually when I'm watching TV, and I'll just watch the TV show and just massage my hair. Very easy to do, and I just kind of do it for a bit. So I like to do it in the afternoon, evening time. So if I put too much sometimes, then it becomes really oily. So now let me show you a close-up of both the product. Here's a close-up of the scalp massager. As you notice, it is a little bit concaved. It's also very flexible silicone too. So it's not going to be hard against your scalp. And here is the rosemary castor oil. And because it already has castor oil in it, which is a carrier, you're able to put it right onto your skin or scalp because castor oil is a carrier oil. That means you don't have to dilute it. It's already diluted for you because rosemary oil by itself is very potent. So you're supposed to dilute it with something like jojoba oil or in this case, castor oil. Perfect. I love using this rosemary oil. I feel like it conditions and nourishes my scalp, but I also use it for my hair ends too. Love it. I also love using the scalp massager too. It feels so comfortable. I just feel the stress and tension on my head just melt away when I use it. And it also helps with dry and flaky hair too. So it's a win-win in my book. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.